Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to combine a line graph and a column chart in Microsoft Excel with ease. This is a game changer for making your data visually appealing and easier to understand. So, let's dive right in. First up, you need your data ready in a table. Highlight the data you want to include in your chart. Now go to the Insert tab and select Combo Chart from the Chart options. You'll see a few options here, but we're going to choose Custom Combination Chart. In the Combo Chart settings, you'll see your data series listed. For each series, you can choose the chart type. Set one to column for your bar chart and another to line for your line graph. It's that simple. You can also allocate axes if needed. Now your chart will appear, but we're not done yet. You might need to tweak it for clarity. Click on your chart to activate the chart tools. You can adjust colors, add data labels, and format your axes to make everything look just right. And there you have it. A beautifully combined line and column chart, all set to wow your colleagues or clients. Excel makes it super easy to present complex data in a visually engaging way. If you found this tip helpful, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more Excel tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy Excelling.